Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice move today. Not only did the price, gap up from where it closed on Friday, but even after the gap up, the price just kept on chugging upwards. So very nice day on the bulls part. So let's first start talking about some areas of support. Then we can talk resistance. So the ideal level of support going forward, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Going to be right here at $1.74. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can maintain above there going forward, that would certainly be a great sign of strength, no question about it. Next level of support after that, right down there at $1.68. So near term, $1.74, $1.68, two levels of support. But taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, and really just kind of simplifying, or I should say making a logical question very simple to answer, is in regard to this purple line here, the 50-period simple moving average. What is this question? Well, again, I started off the video. Today was a great move. There's no doubt about it. So if you're to say, hey, Clay, yeah, this has been a great, powerful move, but how can we measure the health of this move? How can we measure the power of it? And that's circling back to the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving, so as time goes by, that line's going to continue to move its way upwards and look something like that. So to answer the question in a very just cut and dry, simplistic way, as long as the price remains above that purple line going forward, the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. Now, again, ideally, if it can stay up above $1.74 or $1.68, that would be best case scenario. But from the grand scheme of things, big picture, if the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full health. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this move is going to continue to fight upwards, where are some potential battlegrounds at? For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. Go back into the chart's history. There it is. That's sticking out like a sore thumb. Next key overall area of resistance going to be right up there at $1.83. If you look back here through the history of the chart, you can see right here, multiple times bulls try to fight up through there but couldn't quite do it. So there are some sellers that seem to be hanging out up around $1.83. So that'll be the next key battleground. All in all, though, very, very nice move today. And at the end of the day, as long as the price just keeps on building higher bases, the chart will take care of itself, including breaking through $1.83. So great start to the week. We'll see how much the bulls can build upon this momentum the remainder of the week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.